Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to play Fortnite on MetaQuest 3. For this process, we will need to have our MetaQuest well linked to the PC, as you can see in the link above. We'll start by using the Epic Games launcher. If you don't have it installed yet, you can go to the official website and download it. Once the file is downloaded, you can proceed to install it. When Epic Games is installed, we'll open it. Next, we're going to use the top search bar to search for Fortnite. Click on it and proceed to install it. In this case, we already have it installed in our library. After that, you can tap on the game to start it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Now let's go to our MetaQuests. To continue, we need to connect them to the PC using the Quest Link option from the Quick Settings. You have the complete process of doing it in the link above. Once you're in this mode, click Add Desktop Panel. After that, we will click on the Fortnite option. We'll see that we can now play Fortnite using our MetaQuests. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.